evening, everyone. When I was trying to make my bionic butt for the RoboCup Junior competition, I found the sun holder part was always shakes a bit and doesn't really look good and solid. So I really needed a kind of sun sensor holder to make the whole part more stable. So to do that, I learned a bit of 3D modeling. And I'll tell you, this is my version 1. You see, it's very wobbly and not that stable and solid to put the sonar on. And this was my second one. It's made out of cardboard and it's also a bit squishy, so it's not good too. But my version 3 was this. This is from the 3D printer, and as you can see, it is very stable. So as I was saying, now I'm going to teach you guys how to make this sonar holder. But let me tell you this first. When I just started 3D printing, I went on something called Tinkercad, but then I realized that it wasn't very comfortable. And so I swapped to something called Onshape. Now I created the document called holder. So let me tell you how to make the actual sonar holder. So first you need to choose a block to build on, which I'll choose top. So select that and then just sketch a random rectangle, a corner rectangle from anywhere to anywhere. And then you press dimensions. And then this would be 65. And this, the length would be 30. So now as you can see, this is not in the center. So how to make this in the center? And as you saw, that did take a bit of a moment, but it succeeded. So I'll take you around the whole thing to have a look. That's the bottom, that's the front, that's the right, that's the back, and that's the left. And as you notice, I also curved these edges a bit so that they won't be sharp. Bye-bye, and I hope I see you next time.